Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you have Office 365 or PowerPoint 2019 or later, and you're signed into your Microsoft account. Once done, open PowerPoint and go straight to File, then Account or File, then Options depending on your build. This initial check is important because older builds don't expose the theme controls. Make sure updates are installed. If not, update now so the dark mode toggle appears. Then we'll switch the application appearance in the next step. Now change the interface theme. Go to File, Options, General and find Office Theme. Select dark gray or black to switch the whole app to dark mode. You can apply the same theme across Office apps if you want consistency. If your goal is dark slides rather than a dark UI, use Design and Format Background or View and switch modes to adjust slide backgrounds and placeholders. This avoids readability issues. Once you pick a theme, PowerPoint will redraw the UI immediately. So verify contrast. Finish by checking every slide for contrast and legibility. Dark mode can make black text invisible, so change text colors or Slide Master theme as needed. Use the Slide Master to apply global fixes and save your custom theme for reuse. If dark mode isn't available, make sure Office is updated, you're signed in, and company policies aren't blocking themes. One key troubleshooting tip: if toggles are missing, restart PowerPoint after updates and sign out, then back in to refresh your account policies and theme availability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.